This video shows you how to generate the discussion in narrative form that describes the role that each person on the team will play. In the WorP spreadsheet, click on Personnel and FTE tab. Now we're going to want to expand some of those collapsed groups of columns. You want to click on the two leftmost plus sign. You now see in the expanded view are the assigned lead and expert task summaries, which have been automatically inserted into these columns for no other purpose than to remind you of the task assignments that you made in the task sheet. If a person was designated as a task lead on any task, a task will be listed in the task lead summary for that person. If a person was listed as helping with a task but not leading it, the task that that person is helping on will be listed under the expert task summary for each person. Using these reminders in the two white columns, you can manually compose a narrative of the person's role on the proposal in the role and background narrative column. You want to write it exactly as it will appear in the proposal, including any necessary LaTeX coding. The script will automatically attach the person's name at the beginning of the first sentence. The text you enter here should be written with that fact in mind. In these columns, you want to describe the general roles as well as why that person is a good fit to those roles. The HST style column requires a shorter narrative of the team member roles. You can leave this column blank if you're not working on a phase 2 HST proposal. The words that you write under the HST style will appear in a table rather than in a paragraph form. Making the words concise as possible is really critical. I'm going to step away for a moment and get these columns filled out. We have now populated these columns for role, background narrative, and task summary HST style. You can see that I start off each sentence with will lead the blah, 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 because remember that the script will automatically put the name of the person at the very beginning of the first sentence. What I did was just try to put in words what I saw the person doing as the lead and as the expert helper. I also use LaTeX code where needed. After you've filled out the role, background, narrative columns for each team member, you will be ready to generate the LaTeX file and incorporate them into overleaves. Please refer to the next video, How to Make LaTeX Files.